New Jersey baseball team that made it all the way through the Little League World Series takes a victory lap in Elizabeth today. The city's hosting the parade to honor the Elmore Troopers. The parade is going to start at 1 o'clock in right field. It's going to end the celebration at City Hall. Coming up today on News 4 at 4, how the Tri-State stacks up with a new ranking of the worst cities for retirement. Also, attacked out of nowhere, the search for two men wanted in a string of violent robberies in the city. So again, we're keeping an eye on Dorian as it moves past the Tri-State. So weather updates and tide with NBC1.com. So we got all our black. Here's Anderson with your big rest of the day.
Before you hire a personal injury lawyer, just ask them this. How many trials have they had in their lifetime? Our firm had more than 10 trials last month. And we could run this ad on TV forever, and that would still be true for every month. Here's the thing. It's not built to There's only one lawyer for him.
I've always been fearing